how to take pictures with blur background effects on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. At the bottom here, you want to swipe across and select Portrait. Then tap on this filter button, and at the top here you want to swipe across and choose Blur. At the bottom here on the slider bar, you can swipe across to adjust the blur strength. Okay, then you want to point at the subject to bring the focus into your preview screen. You can also tap on the lock button here to lock the subject, and then from here you can tap on the shutter button to take a picture. Here you can see I can zoom in. The subject is focused, but the background is very blurred. And that is how you can take pictures with blur background effect in portrait mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.